In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete search history on YouTube app. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up YouTube app, and if you hit there on search icon, now at that list you can see all the searches that I made before, and now in able to clear that search history I need to do the following things. First I need to hit on my profile picture and there select your data in YouTube. And now here scroll all the way down until I find YouTube search history, and there hit on manage your YouTube search history right here. And now there you can clear all your YouTube search history, hit there on delete, and now here you can select delete search history for today, delete for custom range, it means custom period of time, and also delete search history for all the time. I'll select that one, and now I can confirm that action by hitting on delete. And now I can go back there and check that my search history was now cleared, and that's it. So hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.